how to trade from Octa. Okay, so you just click directly. You can trade directly from here, even if you're not using MT4 or MT5. You can still use MT4 MT5, but everything is the same. So now once you come to your dashboard, you can see this is a dashboard. So this is how your dashboard look like. So you see here the red dashboard, here the red order. That's the numbers of place your trade you've placed so far. Now below here we have trading. That's where you see and the space and every other thing. So all you just need to do is very simple. Follow the format. It's very simple. So what we're going to click right now is trade. That's where we are going to click right now. So when we click trade, you want to trade gold, you want to trade bitcoins, you want to trade USD, JPY, what do you want to trade? So that is it. But yeah, you do not need to crack your head if you are working with us, because the signal comes with a particular instrument to trade what you should trade. After the expert have analyzed it and finished, and they come up and they say, okay, place a trade on this. So you know that while you're placing that trade, it is precisely what you should trade on. So now let me show you example. This is our VIP community. So this is how it is. So you see now, this is how the trade comes. You can see on this particular day, you were asked to trade on USD, JPY. Now this one was gold and all of that. This one was gold. These are things you'll be asked to trade. It comes with where to set your stop loss, where to set your take profit. It shows where you should buy, Do you understand now? That's how it comes. So all you have to do is very simple. Now let me show you like today's signal. This is how today's signal come about. I sent it to one of my students. So this is it. So this is how it comes. It comes like this. So you see there's sell gold is a sell trade. So all you have to do is go to your either MT4 or MT5 or go to your Octa, or copy this particular trade. That's where what you have to do. Simply copy it, and once you copied it and paste it. It's very simple to do. Copy this stop loss and go to your trading app. If you're using Octa or you're using any other one too, now come here, it said gold. So they say we should sell gold. So what to do is click on sell. We click on sell. Yeah, this is sell. I hope you're seeing where I'm pointing. This is sell. Now this is buy. Now the information say we should sell because the market is actually going down. You can see the market now. Let me show you the market. You can see this is where how the market is going. So at this condition, you sell. If the market is going up like this, you buy. So when the market is going down like this, you sell. So at this very point, we are asked to sell go. We are not asked to buy. You understand? So we are asked to sell go. So we have clicked on go. So now we'll click on the sell button. As we click on the sell button here, you click on the sell button, you come to stop loss. Remember, I've copied the key on stop loss where to stop. So you now paste it and delete the first one. So you'll be sure of what you're doing. You paste it there. Now you go back and copy the take profit. TP is take profit. Copy it and also come here. Remember, I told you don't start any trade without setting your stop loss and take profit. Don't start any trade without setting your stop loss and take profit. So delete this and paste the new one. I'm deleting it because I don't want you to be confused. If I'm doing it, I know how fast I'll be doing. You understand now? So that's just it. Now at this point, so you confirm sales, and you are good to go. So the trade is on. Now once you have confirmed sales, the trade is on. So you can check here. This order, and when you check this order, you're going to see what you have done. Okay, so let's check the order. So we click here and it shows the trade. Yes, it shows the trade. You can see the trade is running there. It's showing there, and it's running there on profits. That's how wonderful it is. You can see now. So with that, if you want to close, you just swipe it like this and click this close button. If you click here, it's going to close. Do you understand the point now? So that's how you can use the signal from our community. If you find this video helpful, you find it beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and share. And also, if you haven't yet opened your account with Octa or Xness, you can check the link attached to this video. You're going to get the right link to create your account, create your free account, and reach out to us so you can give you premium signal like this, that you don't blow your account. If you know you have been there, look at the profit. You don't blow your account. You'll be making profit consistently because you receive premium signal. I mean, premium signal. Imagine you're making profit consistently, this can be you. So all you have to do is reach out to us so you can get access to that. I hope you've got value from this video. I'm also out here to see as I can support you all through.